Zacchaeus to the Maximus here. Let's take this old Power Wheels that I got at the flea market for 15 bucks and bring it back to life. All right, here she is. Negotiated the guy down 15 bucks. He kept the battery. It runs. The kid did use it. She was driving around, which was great to see. I have a fully charged Harbor Freight battery here. Oh boy. My drill broke. So I tried to fix it, but end up not having any luck. But I did keep the battery receptacle here. So I got the male end of this, so I'm gonna disconnect or cut this. So easy enough. My water cutters and just go to town. Let's go to the end here. I want to get as much as I can. Great. I'm assuming black to black and white to red is going to do the trick. But really, I think this is it. These are the pieces I need. So literally, the battery charged, the receiver, I got connector doodads here. I'm gonna strip these wires off camera here, just because, you know, I need my other hand here, and get her going. All right, pretty easy to strip a wire. All right, I got these stripped out, and these ones stripped should be enough. So like I said here, I'm gonna use my connectors. To just do and twist these together here and see if she works. That's it. Pretty simple setup. You can see here by the light, it's got 3. All right, let's see if she works. No. Hey, so yeah, Harbor Freight drill piece did not work. So ordered this off of Amazon. Came with this piece that hopefully the battery's gonna fit into. It came with these little fuse doodads and this little connector piece, which instead of using those, looks like I can use these. So I can shove the red to white, hopefully, and black to black. Just match up the colors, shove it in, you know, shove the black in the blue, and black to blue, and repeat that, and we'll see what happens. All right, that was super easy. You just flip those things up, and it already comes with a fuse in it, so it came with 3 extras. This was like 10, 15 bucks on Amazon. All right, I'm gonna close this. And moment of truth. Got my Harbor Freight tool battery. Let's see if it's charged. Hopefully it is. It's got 3 lights. Put this here. Turn on my doodad. And if this doesn't work, don't know what I'm gonna do. So, oh my God. Whoa, my God. Damn it, my kid's gonna be happy as shit when she sees this. Fucking A, man. You know, when things work out, they just got happiness. The happiness you get when they work. All right, Harbor Freight. That issue was this piece is shot. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage can and let my Worry's side. Cause it works. It works. And it was so easy. So easy. I didn't believe anybody, but this is... It's a tank. Woo! It's gonna be cool. Yes. All right. I'm back in the game. Dad's back in the game. Let's see if this, see what this little button does. All right, I'm gonna turn it off here. All right, that works. Man, it just works, you know? It just works. Let's put it in reverse. Powers. I mean, there's no weight in it, so clearly it's gonna be hauling a child. So, yeah. So far, so good. Let's get the kid out here. Let's get some practice runs in. Yeah. All right. Zacchaeus to the Maximus. Yeah. Whoa. 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 Nature boy. Coming at you. All right. I'm pretty excited about tomorrow. So we're going to make sure this thing is secure. So, forgot to video this, but this whole knobby end really did not have a good place for this, unfortunately. So the issue was I got it working, but what do I do with this? It can't drag on the ground. It's gonna rip out. I have problems. So I totally MacGyvered this. Go on, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like if you know MacGyver. The OG. The OG. All right. So I'll see how this works tomorrow. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna duct tape that down some more, but the battery goes in this slot here. I'm gonna use this super glue that I just picked up.
Open on the turn cap, clicking stops, unscrew cap counterclockwise. Oh, Christ. Alright, clicking sound stops. Oh, easy. Super easy. Oh my god.
Oh, let's see. Just lube it up here. Looks good to me. Shoot, I'm gonna need a brick. Something heavy. On top of that, I bet you I got a big pile of bricks around here somewhere. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. What don't you do? I feel like I'll get another one. I'll get another one. Nobody ain't gonna tell me otherwise. Yeah, bricky dick here. All right, sorry YouTubers, I need 2 hands. All right, well, let's see here. Hopefully I didn't screw up too bad. But this is gonna slide right in here. Hopefully, by tomorrow, that thing is snug. So good night. See you tomorrow. Rum, rum, rum. Your long legs.
What?
I know, you got long legs.
Is forward this, is forward, this is park.
Reverse.
Yeah.
So put it in
Which
forward.
one's park? This?
Yeah.
This one's, the middle one's park?
Yeah.
Oh. I guess it's actually forward.
All right. Oh yeah.
What?
You think you can drive it through here? All right. Hang on. Well, the glue didn't work at all. Hang on. Stop. The glue didn't work on the charger at all. So much for that. But other than that, yeah, you got to turn the wheel, kiddo. Okay, push it.
Oh, this one's parked.
Did it break already?
No, I parked it.
Oh, hang on. I think it broke already. Nope, something happened.
I just fired you.
Hang on. All right, can you push it? All right, must have been loose. All right, kiddo, just use your steer. Let's go see if we can go to the middle of the yard. Whoa! Well, all right. There's some technical difficulties, but it's working well on the grass. It's going? All right. Yay! We got it to work. Oh, thank Jesus. We gotta figure out how long this battery's gonna last. So,
What? What do you mean?
I think call this a success. Thumbs up if it works. Final boss. This thing moves. Slow mode. Oh, slow mode's pretty cool. I can run away. But then there's super speed. Oh crap! Oh gosh, it's gonna run me down.